Good ball. To Justin, to Chaplin Kama, taking 2 points. 2 points. Right side.
Kahit sa damo na. Hindi, sa may listahan ka dito.
Sir Pat, spin move. Wala, ribbon by. Boss B. Paso Ivan Magdan. Paso Chaplin Kama. Foul. Boss B, meron ba itong ano ulit?
Counted?
Hindi, ano? Sa apa yung penalty na. Taking 3. Foul! 3 points by Chaplin Kama.
5-0.
Score 5-0. 9 minutes remaining. Ribbon by Sir Pak. Ribbon by. Foul. Meron yung team. 20 seconds to shoot. Ribbon by Sir Urge. Pass to Justin. Magday, binababa ang bola kahit walang bantay. Pass to Magday again. 15 seconds to shoot. 2 points by Justin. Wow! Labas! Traveling ata.
Pwede pakakomos niya ako.
Kaya mo ah.
Kaya pre.
Kanina bola?
Wala ka lang. Ano, counted kuya? Counted ba? Counted.
Traveling awan.
Traveling ang tawag ng mga kaibigan.
7-0.
7-0.
Ito.
Simulan na ang laban.
Running time.
7-0 score. Pa sa ating kaibigan nakaubad. Dribble.
15 seconds.
15 seconds to shoot. Narangan. Pass to by. Steal. Maragasap. Hindi pare. Hindi pa kawalan. Sumaksak. Mira. Wala. Yun, nag-aagawan sa ating bola. Kaya di mapag-video pre.
Magday. Pass to Benoy. 2 points by wala. Ribbon by. Pass to Benoy pa din. Benoy. Tumiliskate.
Tinagis.
Wala.
Tinagis
sa kawalan.
Foul.
17 foul.
Inansay siya na yung score.
Score 9-0 in favor of Team Benoy. 7 minutes ends. Sakto.
And sakto.
Magdan. Pass to Benoy. Ay, wala pala. Screen by Benoy. Wala. Labas. Foul. Dahil. Foul. 13 fouls by King Sir Pat. Benoy. Pass to Magdan. 15 seconds to shoot. Chaplin Kama for 3. Wala. Ribbon by Justin Magdan. Take the ball. Pass to. Binababa ang bola. Wow! Intercepted ba? Fade away shot. Wala. Foul. Second team foul. Warning mamaya. Score 9-0. Oras 6 minutes exacto. Pass to Gordon. Gordon pala taking 3. Foul. 3 points by Sir Gordon. Chaplin Kama. Pass to Benoy Badin. Pass to intercepted. Sir Urge. Binabantayan. Side step.
Tangino.
Foul.
Awe.
Extended hand.
Awe. Kita yun, no?
Awin, layo eh.
Kahit ako magbabanyawa ako dun.
Let's go! Labas.
Sabayan mo to.
Score! 9-3. Oras, 5 minutes. Last shot before change. Taking 3. Ribbon by Chaplin. Last shot before change, mga sir. Pass to Benoy. Taking 2. Change score. 11
Isa lang. Lumamang kayo nung una, tapos nakashoot sila.
Pass to Serpat. Pass to. Oh, what a fake. Fake choke. Out of bounds na. Out of bounds.
Relax. Nasa boss B? Naglalaro.
Number 2. Oh.
Wow.
Black foul by Team Sir Urge.
4 minutes and 20 seconds.
11-3.
Score the minutes.
Ami ba? Kala ko, ano oras?
Taking 3 by number 24. Air ball.
Pass break yung pare, pass break.
Binababa. Chakli, taking 3. Wala, limot ba? Kaya pa rin. 4 minutes at sakto, mga sir. Taking 3. Wala, limot ba? Sir Urge. Pass to wala pa, taking again. Wala ulit, limot ba? Dahil, intercepted na ka. Good ball. Pass to Chakli Kama. Good balls by Chakli Kama.
13-3.
33, second team by Team Lemon. Wow! Second team foul.
Hindi na nakagalaw yung camera, ayot.
Napopokus eh.
Pass to Sir Pat. Taking 3. Lemon by Bengal Bading. Pass to Chakli Kama. Pass to Manday. Intercepted by Dondan. Binababa tuloy sa atin. Pass to iconic short. Oh, fake. Fake choke. Wow. 13 foul. 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Good ball.
Bulbol.
Taking 3. 2 points by Sir Pat.
Dapat ah.
Magday.
5-3. Ay, 5-13.
Sabi ni pare.
2 minutes and 37 seconds. Foul ba? Wala. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Taking 3. Air ball. Pass to Sir Pat. 2 minutes passing. Spin move. 2 points by Sir Pat. Jets.
13-7.
13-7.
Foul.
Foul.
2 minutes exact.
First team
2
foul.
minutes exacto.
2 minutes exacto. 7:13. 7:13. Foul. Second team foul. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot.
5.
5 seconds. Intercepted.
3 seconds.
Ano? Foul?
Wala, miss.
Ba, sir?
Miss na pare, miss.
Ano? Kayong mag-usap-usap dyan, mga sir. 7:13.
1 minute and 30. 1 minute and
1 minute and 30 seconds. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 7:30. Good. Taking 3. Airball. Pass 2. Iconic short. Taking 2 rebounds. Rebound by Sir Pat. Ang galing yun. 2 points by Sir Pat.
13.
9:13. Sir Urge. Binababa. Foul. 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 Score 9:13. 1 minute and 9 seconds. 13 foul by Team Sir Pat. Pass to Magday. 20 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. Woo! Foul! 14 foul. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 14 foul. Warning for penalty. Foul, penalty. 1 shot by Magday. Ivan Magday. Ma-shoot man o hindi. Kabilaan mo lang. 9:13.
2 points yan.
Wala. 55 seconds remaining. Taking to rebounds. Wala, rebound ball. Rebound ball, rebound ball, rebound ball. Pass to. Kanya ulit. Taking three again. Wala, rebound ball. Rebound ball. And going short. Taking three again. Wala ulit. Rebound ball. Chuck mo tama. Foul.
35
35 seconds remaining. Score. 9:13. Wala pa kuya. Good job. Ulit. Reset mo ang ano, reset.
Bakit?
Reset yung ano yung...
Yung...
Reset penalty, di ba? Pangalan niya yan. Oh, sige.
Reset yung foul pagka nag-cage ka.
Okay. Kuya Chuck, tira mo na yan. Good morning, Charlie Sama. Good. 35 seconds. Taking three. Rebound by. Rebound by. Oh. 25 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 20 seconds remaining. Taking three. Pound. 3 points by Sir Urge. 10 seconds remaining. Wala. Rebound by. Magtay. Binababa ang bola. Magtay. Justin Magtay. Tumira sa half court. Pound! Ay, ako!
Umutin yung bola.